How do you scale an animated GIF image in PIL and preserve the animation? I'm wondering if it's possible to scale an animated GIF image using PIL. In particular, Plone's archetype's image field currently loses the animation from images scaled using its scale method. I know how to identify an animated GIF. The following evaluates to true image.format = GIF and image.seek, image.tel, +1. I've tried not converting to RAW mode, but that doesn't work. Background. On our Plone instance, we've modified the default image type to set the original _size attribute of its image field to force all images to scale with an appropriate quality setting. This works great for JPEGs, but means we currently can't upload animated GIFs.
PIL has got some limited support for animated GIFs, but it is, as said, limited, and you have to work in very low level to deal with it. While it is possible to manipulate and scale GIFs in Pillow, at the current version, 9.2, it's rather obscure and only offer the rendered version of each frame. That is, if you have a GIF with custom palettes or shapes per frame, you can only get access to the flattened frames as they are presented in an image viewing program. I'd advise trying some other method for scaling images than PIL if you want to deal with animated GIFs. Possibly the most straightforward way is to use an off-process ImageMagick with subprocess.open. And even then at this time, I am only guessing ImageMagick does the right thing with animated GIFs. An option is to have an image processing server with another Python script, apart from your XOP install, that will receive requests to scale the images, possibly with a XML-RPC call. You could build this as a GIMP plugin and use GIMP for scaling the GIFs. Another option is to leave things as they are and use stills for animated GIFs where they need to appear in another dimension than the original, and display the original image where the animation is appropriate. Or maybe simply require that animated GIFs be submitted already on the proper size.
You can use images2gif.py to read GIFs and then scale each frame independently. Images2gif will allow you to write an animated GIF with a sequence of images. The images2gif.py I found on the internet didn't handle transparency, so I fixed that. You can find that here. This URL.
PIL's fork supports animated GIFs since version 3.0.0 when PR number 1384 was merged.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.